guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the look which I wanted to create for you guys. This is the glam look which you can always wear for your festival look, for your ethnic wear look. Like this look goes with everything in my opinion. So if you want to know how I create this look, please stay tuned. So guys, first I'll start with this Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel based cream, and this is so amazing. You can go and check about this cream. I have already mentioned the link in my blog, so you can always go there and check. This has no fragrance, no chemical, nothing. This is so pure. So I'll start applying this cream, including my neck area, and we'll blend it real, and that's it. Next, I'm gonna apply this ELF face primer. Don't use much, just this much is enough for your skin. So just blend it well. And done. Okay, so before I apply anything else on my face, I'll be spraying this MAC Prep Prime Fix on my face before I start applying foundation or concealer. So this is one of my favorite steps in doing my makeup. So yeah. And now I'll be dabbing with this sponge. Okay, next. So this MAC foundation, full coverage foundation, has been my all-time favorite. So I'll be using this one. But using full coverage foundation is good. Before I use this sponge, I'll be spraying this a little bit on my sponge. That's it. And that's it. Next, I'm gonna apply this Sephora concealer. Final area. Here, you can see the difference, like before applying the foundation, the concealer, and after applying this foundation and concealer. So next step, so before I apply anything else, I'll be doing my eyebrow first. I can't feel good about my makeup until I do my eyebrows. And that's it. I'm done with doing my brows. And next, I'm gonna go and conceal it a little bit, just to highlight the brow bone. So little bit of it will be enough. that's it. So moving on, as I told you before, I love spraying this one. So before I start something else, I'll be spraying this one on my face. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna contour. So for that, I'll be using this Cover Fix. Just applying a little bit. I don't want to contour so much. Just a little bit of it will be good enough. So just the look after doing my foundation, concealer, my contouring, and my eyebrows, everything. So next I'll be doing my eyes first. So for that, I do need this Maybelline Lemonade Trace. I got this from CVS. So this one is 2 palettes. So in this look I'll be doing my eyes with a little bit of black and kind of red color. So that will be the main popping colors on my eyelid. Sweet Tea from this palette, and we'll be applying it all over my eyes. I'm gonna be applying this Berry Eyes from this palette, and just onto the lid. Okay, that's it. So as I mentioned, I'm gonna do 2 dark color with my eyes. So the first will be this Ice Pop from the same palette. So I'm just gonna dab a little bit with my brush. So like this. Okay, one more tip, guys. Before you apply any pigmented eyeshadow to get the rich color, you should use this or any other makeup spray you have. Like, spray on the brush a little bit like this and start applying the shadow. You don't need any eye primer for that. If you don't have any eye primer, that's completely fine. You can use this trick. That's pretty much it with the lids. Okay, so as I told you, I'll be using the black shade, and that from this palette, this black, and I'll be using this side of the brush. Again, the Sweet Tea from this palette, and we'll blend with both the colors. I'm gonna dab some more. this is the look. Okay, next I'm gonna apply my eyeliner. This is from MAC. So that's it. I'm done with applying my eyeliner. Okay, next I'm gonna apply my Maybelline Falsies lash lid. I got this amazing deal on Amazon, so I got this from there. I got this just for $4. Yeah, this is so new in the market. I got this idea to buy this mascara from Vogue magazine. So this mascara gives you a really heavy lashes. After applying this one, you don't need to apply any false eyelashes. So I prefer not to wearing any false eyelashes after that. But for this look, I'll be applying the one to give my eyes beautiful heavy look. Actually, I'm done. Okay. So, okay. I'll let it dry first, and meanwhile I'll be applying my Sephora blush in shade Flirt It Up number 6. So for that I'll be using this brush. I got this from Sephora as well. And ta-da! Done with this blush as well. I'm gonna apply this Sephora Golden Hour highlighter, and for that I'm not gonna use any brush, any tool. I'll be using my finger to apply. That's it. So done with this highlighter. Okay, time to apply my falsies. I have this falsie. I got this from Sephora as well, and this is Swanky number 33. So for that I have this lash glue. Got this from Sephora as well. This glue on the lash. So I'm just applying this way. And just doing like so. And done applying the lashes. And as I told you, I'll be applying one more stroke of this mascara to make sure the falsies and my real eyelash looks normal. So done. Okay, for this look, the red shade always goes really well and it gives you perfect glam look. Before I apply my lipstick, I'll be applying this lip liner from okay, this is from NYX. And just that's it. And now the time for this lip shade. This is from Kat Von D, and again I got this from Sephora. So for this, I'm gonna use this Hashmi Kajal, and I got this from India, from cosmetic store. I love this kajal since I was in 12th grade. Some more of this. You know, to make sure. That's pretty much it. That's the final look of my makeup. Guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, you can always ask me in the comment section, or you can also message me on Instagram. Always go and check to my website as well, where I have all the social media accounts: Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube. So you can always message me and ask about anything you want. So until next time,